Welcome to our Tidbit tray assembly and disassembly instruction video. You may have just purchased a Tidbit tray like this, or perhaps something a little smaller like this, and it may have come disassembled for shipping, or you may have had your tray for a while and you would just like to know how to break it down for storage or for cleaning. That's what we're going to show you right now, how to take it apart and how to put it together. So let's start with this. And we're going to take a look at the component parts of our tray. This is our handle. This is one little plastic washer. This is another little plastic washer. This is important because you want a plastic washer on every porcelain side of your tray. This one has a screw in the bottom and again, a little plastic washer on the top and another on the bottom. So when you get this Tidbit tray and it's all disassembled, the first thing you're going to do is take your screw. We're starting from the bottom, working our way up. Here is your screw, and you're going to pop your plastic washer on top of that and pop it in your hole. Then you're going to take another plastic washer and you're going to put it in on top. Remember, plastic washers on every porcelain surface. Then we're going to take our little extension. We're going to twist it in. As you can see, no tools required. And then a plastic washer on top. We put our little teacup on that. A plastic washer over the screw on the upper side. Here is our handle. And we're just going to screw this in. And it's just that easy. All done. Now, it in fact might be a larger tray. This is a 3-tier tray. When it is a larger tray, you will get your hardware in your little baggie. Take it all out. And we have one additional piece. That is our little metal washer. This is a very small piece. It does not require a metal washer. So here is our screw. Here is our metal washer. We put that on. We add our plastic washer. This is the first one. We put it on our bottom plate. Our bottom plate is always going to be the larger of our plates. We got our plastic washer on top. And we have our little extension. Again, no need for tools. We hand tighten. And we don't want tools in any case because we don't want to over tighten. If we over tighten, we might crack our porcelain. Here's the medium plate. Remember, we've got our extension. We've got our plastic washer because the plastic washer goes on either side of our porcelain plate. So we've got another one. We're popping it on. Here is our second extension because we will have 2 extensions plus the handle because this is a 3-tier tray. And again, finger tight. We don't want this over tightened. Plastic washer again. Final plate, in this case it's a saucer. Another plastic washer. done. Okay, that is how to assemble your tidbit tray.